True naman. What's a good thing though is that evolution of Greg Ancheta. He's also starting to be very aggressive, but on the other side, a more aggressive player is Paolo Layog.
He's been providing good points also here for LaSalle. And let's take a look at that. See, that's what we're talking about. The left-handed, they usually spike.
Unfazed siya. Hindi siya affected dyan. Nonchalant si Bud sa mga blockers lagi. Regidor going up to that back quick and Paolo Layog converts. That is his second point.
Look at that activation from Regidor. A good thing, you know. Kasi
Ancheta with a serve. Picked up there by Hernandez. They go up to that quick to Layog. This is when you pull out some surprises.
it makes confusion eh. Pag hindi kasi tayo sanay na ang middle blockers natin ay lefty.
Yeah.
So when in terms of blocking, you really have to block the spiking hand of the
Napapabagal talaga yung
Yes.
bola. Quick hit that works for Paolo Layog.
just really, you know, activating all the spikers, trying to get them involved for the anticipating that cross court from Budin.
Isa with a jump serve. Picked up there by Budin. They go up to Ordiales. That doesn't cross. That's going to be a point for LaSalle.
Grabe yung disiplina nila sa blockings. Knowing Coach Dante, of
Yeah.
course.
Unsurprisingly so. But serve coming from Regidor. They go up to Budin. Oh, solid block coming from the graduating Paolo Layog.
He heard you. Of the green spikers.
Point number 7. Mendoza. Ancheta will serve. Picked up there by Hernandez. They go up to Layog. The graduating player gets a point.
Giving the ball to Layog. He has been pointing since a while ago. They just needed the perfect timing to create more points in the side of the middle blockers of LaSalle.
Point number execution is always the question.
Yes.
Coaches can give a million instructions, but it's up to the players inside the court. Regidor going up to Layog, who ties things at 23.
Rally kay Gloria. A perfect volleyball right there. Wow, just hitting that zone.
Ancheta with that serve. Oh, what a hit for Paolo Layog. That is point number 10, and he is the fourth. Something that has been building up and bubbling up in the last few years. Mukaba with the serve, picked up there by Gloria. Regidor going up to the quick. Layog ties things over, and how poetic that it is the graduating players extend this. Let's look at that again.
That's a perfect setup for Regidor. Really just giving a chance to Layog.
Of LaSalle, and a key highlight there, of course, is our player of the game in this match. He has been the spark who has been burning that ember that LaSalle has. 11 points, 59% on attack efficiency. Just when LaSalle needed him the most, the graduating player, Paolo Layog, playing the game of his career. This is also his best in the
Yes.
season with 11 points.
You know, and pagdating sa mga ganyang crunch moment, you really want your seniors to step up, and kudos also to Regidor for giving him the chance na maipakita yung talent niya, maipakita yung kaya niyang gawin sa teammates niya. And this is a statement na gusto
Yes.
niyang ibitaw sa lahat ng mga bata bago niya iwanan ang DLSU.
And this is the trio that is leaving LaSalle and graduating with great pride and honor. JJ Rodriguez and Neil Flores joining Paolo Layog in play.